Hey everybody, let me show you what we have here. We have a light that is a dusk to dawn GFI light for outside. I'm going to be putting this outside here, but I'll show you guys what it is here at first inside, and then I'll probably have it up in one of these corners already assembled and installed. So you'll see what it is. This one here, it gets hardwired in, so it's going to replace a current light that is just ugly. Comes with the hardware here, so these are some mounting things and screws parts, and this is the oof. Wow, this is heavy. Okay, let me open it up and I'll show you all what we get. I absolutely hate styrofoam, but this is it here. So this is how it's gonna look. I'll put in my own bulb in there. I have some LED bulbs, and it's got, let me see, where was it? It's got, oh, if the plug opens up down here. So when you have this on the wall, it sticks away from the wall. You can open this up, and look at that. You have a GFI outlet in there, so you can plug things into it. So if I have some Christmas lights or something like that that I want to plug in, you can just plug them right into there. So they'll be on, I guess, whenever this is on. So how cool is that? So that's it, and it comes with the little mounting bracket and everything, and I'm going to be hooking this up on the outside, so I'll show you guys the next time this will be installed somewhere. Thumbs up. So I was all ready to install this one, which is going to look awesome here, but the problem is this light fixture here is kind of wired in a certain way with some automation stuff, and it doesn't have all the same wires to this like low voltage versus high voltage here. So this one here requires higher voltage, and that one was set for a low voltage. But it's super easy to do. You would just wire it with the plugs, wire it, and it'll go on the wall as such, and it would look so nice here instead of that one there, because that one's just dimmer. But it's cool because it has the plugs on the bottom. You can see there it's got outlets, so if someone's doing something out here, if we have our electric mower or something like that, we would be able to just plug it into that and do it, or string some lights across the back patio and things like that. It'd be so nice to have that outlet out there. But unfortunately, this one, you just can't put it in here, but it would be so simple to put it in anywhere, because all you do is mount this to the wall and then you screw these on and you're good to go. So it wouldn't replace any outside fixture. So really cool light. I like it a lot, and I'll probably use it on a different area in the house later as we get more of the construction done. But just right now, can't do it, but I wanted to show you all this one here, and it's glass, really nice, and you can put any bulb in there. I would put an LED bulb in there. You could even put like a color changing bulb and make it super cool. But really nice little setup here. I like this a lot. Thumbs up for sure.